Ladies and gentlemen, this is Miss Cosmo 2024 competition. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Magandang araw Pilipinas and good day pageant lovers. In this video, mapapanood po natin ang top 6 highest ranking for the People's Choice Award of Miss Cosmo 2024 competition. The winner for this Miss Cosmo People's Choice will be automatically part of the top 10 semi-finalists. And now once again, our top 6, we have Indonesia with 190,150 votes. Our top 5, Vietnam, 251,115 votes. Our top 4, Miss Cosmo Thailand with 415,595 votes. Our top 3, we have Miss Cosmo Colombia with 598,530 votes. Pangalawa naman ang pambato ng Pilipinas na walang iba kundi si Maria Atisa Manalo with 625,230 votes. And of course, on top of this Cosmo People's Choice Big Bang, we have Tanzania with 687,505 votes. Everyone, pageant lovers, and lahat ng supporters ni Maria Atisa Manalo, please continue on voting sa ating Miss Cosmo Philippines 2024. Once again, the winner of Miss Cosmo People's Choice will be automatically pasok sa top 10 semi-finalists. Kaya naman patuloy po tayong magbayanihan para sa ating pambato. Maraming salamat sa iyong suporta at maraming salamat sa iyong panonood. Huwag kalimutan na mag-subscribe dahil marami pa po tayong updates na ibibigay para sa inyo. This is Nel 2204. Magkita-kita po tayong muli sa next video.